ready to turn Temu's tempting deals into serious cash. First, explore Temu and identify in-demand products with significant price differences compared to other marketplaces like eBay or Amazon. Look for items with consistently high reviews and sales. Next, order samples of your chosen products to assess their quality firsthand. Ensure they meet your standards and accurately match Temu's descriptions. Low-quality items can lead to negative reviews and returns. Now, let's cover the legal basics. Research trademark and copyright laws to avoid unintentionally infringing on existing intellectual property. While reselling is generally legal, using copyrighted images or descriptions without permission can get you into trouble. Time to market. Create eye-catching product listings with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Utilize social media platforms, online stores, and even email marketing to reach potential customers. Highlight the value proposition of your Temu finds. Crunch those numbers. Calculate your profit margins by factoring in Temu's product cost, shipping expenses, platform fees, and your desired profit. Aim for a sweet spot that's competitive yet profitable. Finally, focus on top-notch customer service and fast shipping. This will keep customers coming back for more. And that's how to resell Temu products for profit. Good luck.